we had an emergency. I took these outside yesterday because yesterday felt so good outside. It was my birthday. It felt so good outside. It was sunny. It was like a nice little breeze. It wasn't cold. Y'all, these cucumbers are okay, but let me show you my other ones. I panicked, y'all. I panicked. I don't know what I did. I guess they were enjoying yesterday's weather, but today is not that. I bought them in last night, you know, a little bit before it got too dark, too cold outside, but I guess they weren't ready. So now I'm panicking. Now they're slumped over, breaking at the stem. I'm trying to fill it with some mix. I'm trying to do my best, but it's not working, y'all. I guess I can just, you know, keep filling it with soil up until like the neck or something to try to prevent it, but y'all, I don't think they done. I don't know. They might be done, y'all. And now I'm just so upset with myself because I saw someone say, you know, you expose them to the elements briefly, like 2 hours tops or something like that. 2 hours outside, and they were outside for longer than 2 hours. It was my birthday yesterday, y'all. I was out. Anyway, I'm gonna try to fill it up with some more soil to like the neck and just hope for the best. And I'll keep y'all posted about what's going on with these bad boys, but I don't even know. Y'all, we out of surgery. I pretty much just laid them babies down like they was tomatoes. They had a slant. I don't know. I'm hoping that would help because, you know, you lay the tomatoes down to like kind of give it more, if you're like, you know, don't really have like a lot of room, hence the bucket. If you don't have a lot of room in there, you kind of lay the plant down so it can kind of grow at like an angle. And I'm hoping that will save this plant. I don't want to see it go bad because look, the true leaves are there, bro. Like, they weren't there yesterday. I'm gonna clean all this up and get back in the house because it's cold out here. It is not like it was yesterday. I've watered it all down, and we just gonna hope for the best and hope that they survive that traumatic experience. Hopefully the other ones don't do what this has done. And yeah, I'm gonna take it back in the house.